What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are in the G80 today. We're heading out to an exhaust shop. We finally got the Catless Downpipes in. I also got these mini cats for the sensors. So the O2 sensors have like these tiny like mini cat versions that they're gonna go into that then screw into the downpipe. We're gonna see if that really does eliminate the check engine light. Because with Catless Downpipes, you will have a check engine light right there because your O2 sensors will be going crazy because it's not normal for it to have that much flow going through the cats. But I got the mini cat, so we'll see if that actually works at eliminating the check engine light. I've heard 50-50 on it. I'm hoping it does. It would be nice not to look at the check engine light, but it would be fine if it's there too. So we're finally gonna get rid of the stock sound. I'll throw in a sound clip now so you guys can hear what basically some revs sound like of the car with the stock exhaust with the regular downpipes. Then later in the video, I'm gonna show you basically what it sounds like with the Catless Downpipes. It should be a significant difference. I'm hoping it makes it sound a little bit better, but not a crazy drone while we're driving. Let's go check it out. These are gonna be the downpipes. There's this one, and then there's a second one. I got them from Mad Downpipes. These things look so clean too, straight through Catless Downpipes. So excited to get these things on the G80. We're here at ProFab. They're gonna be putting it on. They did my work on the Shelby, doing the resonator delete and putting the X pipe on. Now they're gonna be doing my Catless Downpipes on the G80. They did such a good job last time. Super excited to get these bad boys on. And then these are gonna be the spacers for the O2 sensors we're gonna be putting on. Basically the O2 sensor just plugs in right here. This screws into the Catless downpipe, and it should almost simulate another cat within this, so then it blocks it out from check engine light coming on. We'll see if that's true. Not sure. It's kind of a 50-50 on the forums. But anyways, we're gonna hand it over now and they're gonna get started and we'll see the finished product. Boom, there we go. We're back with the G80. Got the key. Downpipes are installed. Let's get the first start up with the Catless Downpipes set up in here. Oh, you can hear a difference. Oh, it's louder. Dang, that's so much louder actually. That's crazy. That is really deep. That sounds so good. Oh my God. There you go, tone down a little bit. Oh, it's not too bad now that it warms up and it gets down. It's not bad at all actually. Dang, so check it, we got no check engine light. So the mini cats actually work. That's crazy. Simulating that it's a little like a miniature catalytic converter that you plug your O2 sensors in, so they think there's still a cat there, when really you have Catless Downpipes and it's just like a tiny little cat that you plug them into. And they got no check engine light, so they actually work. I was really 50-50 on it because I kept seeing people online saying they don't work, but then some people say they do work. I guess they work for me, which is awesome. What is up? We're warping into the next day. So I know this is kind of crazy. We're all over the place, but we're actually jumping into the next day. We've got the G80 here. I drove it around yesterday. Dude, it's sounding freaking insane. But it started raining, so it was a little hard to film. So I was just like, well, wait for the next day so I can show you guys kind of like what the car's all about, so you can hear it, get all the sound clips. So we're actually about to fire it up. We're gonna get the first cold start with the Catless Downpipe going right now. And then we're actually heading over to Mason's house. So Mason's gonna help us film for the rest of the day. He's gonna help us get the sound clips. He's got some mics we're gonna throw in the back so you guys can get a really in-depth sound of what it sounds like when I'm driving. But first, let's get the cold start going with the G80 with its new Catless Downpipes. There we go. Now it's quieted down a little bit, but dude, it is so much deeper with this Catless Downpipe. I'm actually loving how this sounds. This is kind of like at its idle. Like it's actually got some sound now. Before there was no sound at all with the car. Now it's actually got some sound and it's just basically a deeper tone while sitting here. I'm actually loving the sound so much, and the burbles are so good. It's not like a crazy obnoxious, it's just like nice subtle burbles that are there. But you'll see in a little bit when we get those sound clips. Now let's head over to Mason's. Let's go. We're gonna take Mason for a ride so you can hear it while we're driving. Let's go. It doesn't, but it's like, it's weird because in the cabin, there's not a lot of sound. Like, it's not a crazy amount of sound. It's kind of like, I don't know, you don't really hear that much exhaust when you're driving. So it's weird, you only hear it on the outside. It's, I don't know.
I think that's when if you delete that mid pipe, then I think.
Yeah, if the mid pipe was gone, if the mid muffler is gone, it'd be so much better.
Yeah, it'd definitely be,
But,
it'd definitely be more raspy and you'd probably hear it inside the cabin more.
Yeah, but I don't know if it'd get like annoying and stuff then.
Oh, let's hear this thing. Oh! Oh! Oh my god!
Let's go.
Holy! Once that boost hits, it's crazy. Oh my gosh. Dude, it sounds crazy.
It's got those burbles and you can hear the turbo spool.
Yeah, I love the turbo sound. It's just, oh my gosh, it's so good. The burbles. Oh! Oh my god. Guys, that sounds actually insane. Most people would probably say like, oh my god, go more raspy, which Hayden told me I would say, and I did say it. I think more raspy would be sick, but that sounds so crazy still with just that one modification that he did. Actually insane. Insane difference. He's stuck behind a slow car. God, the burbles sound insane.
All right, Mason, I just hit the gym real quick, but now we're back. He's gonna have the Osmo sitting in there. He's got the K truck and we got the Osmo set up. This guy over here. We got it set up to the DJI right here. So we're gonna get some sound clips for you guys driving the M3. Bro, shut up. I'm trying to boom. But he's got the Osmo. We're gonna get some sound clips with the DJI mic while we're rolling down the road. Also, what's really cool with the downpipes is if I click my M2 off, it basically shuts the valves and everything. There's zero sound. Like I have no burbles, no sound, nothing. So I can like downshift, nothing. There's zero sound. Dude, it is so quiet too. So it makes it so easy to daily drive when you just have that mode off. And then you just click it again, M2 on, hit your downshifts, and you got your burbles back. Beautiful, so easy. I love how daily drivable it is when it have the downpipes like that, still with the valve function. Makes it so much better than just having straight pipes, with nothing. Bang, there we go. Overall, I'm loving it. Sound is insane. The burbles are so good. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I think it was a great investment going with the Catless downpipe, and then with those mini Cat O2 sensors worked out amazing. So I have no check engine light. Everything is literally running perfect. So I hope you enjoyed those sound clips. I'll try to find a before and after. So I hope I threw a before in here if I found one. But you know what? I'll see you guys in the next video. And I think the next video is us going on Beamer Invasion. So that should be really sick. Bringing this out there. Mason's also going along.